Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make a link look like a button, right? So we are going to learn how to make an HTML link into a button. So how we are going to do it? Let's check. So here I'm going to add a button. Where is index.html? Here we have about this. Just remove this one for now. About this tag, and let's check how we are going to make this into a button. Okay, so let's check how we are going to create this. Let me inspect this element and let's going to add this CSS. Text decoration we need to put that should be none. Okay. Font size you can add pixels. Okay. Adding you can add 12 pixel both of border of 1 pixel solid. Let's border 1 pixel solid, right? And add the padding to the left right. So here left right padding is missing, so I'm going to add the padding to the left right also. 12 pixels. Looks like the code, right? So now it's clickable button. So this is the anchor type part. I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to add it over here. So let's go to my CSS and add the anchor tag properties. That this is look like button, right? And let's add the hover properties. It's like add hover. I'm going to add hover class. In hover, but when we hover this mouse, what happens? Transition gonna be like 0.25 seconds is in out. Like if you go and hover it, let's make it background be red and we click on and color would be white. Add FFF. Let's copy this one. You can also add the border 2 pixel solid in. So it's add it in a CSS file. Okay, so let's reload this page and check over over with transition, right? See, if I'm going to add another property over here I'm going to add the background would be the color would be hash FFF5, right? So I'm going to copy this one, going to replace it with anchor tag, right? So here right, there's a transition, right? So this is how we can make an HTML link into a button, right? So it's very easy. I hope you will understand what are the CSS. That is the simple CSS that we have: text decoration, font size, padding, border, background, transition for the styling property. Okay, so this is how we can do that. Okay, so I hope you will understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.